Thinking about getting a mattress on rent in Gurgaon? Before you rent a mattress, you probably have a few questions. Is the rented mattress hygienic? How much does a mattress rental in Gurgaon cost? Is it better to buy a mattress or rent one? Which mattress should you rent? Orthopedic, memory foam, or coir? What happens if the mattress gets damaged? Can you return or move the mattress when you relocate? In this video, we'll answer all your questions about renting a mattress in Gurgaon and explain how Rentomojo's mattress rentals work. Whether you're moving to Gurgaon for a corporate job, shifting from a PG to your first apartment, moving closer to your office, or setting up a home without spending a huge upfront cost, this video will help you understand if renting a mattress makes sense for you. Let's start with the biggest question. Is renting a mattress in Gurgaon cheaper than buying a mattress? If you're staying in Gurgaon for less than 33 months, renting a mattress can be the smarter financial choice. Gurgaon is one of India's biggest corporate hubs, with thousands of professionals moving here every year for jobs across technology, consulting, finance, startups, and multinational companies. For many people, moving to Gurgaon, especially young professionals, the first few years involve frequent changes, changing jobs, moving closer to work, switching apartments, or upgrading their lifestyle. The question is not just whether they need a mattress, it is whether they want to make a large investment in something they may have to move later. A decent orthopedic mattress can cost anywhere between 8,000 to 20,000 rupees upfront, but buying a mattress comes with its own challenges. A mattress is bulky, difficult to transport, and has very little resale value when you move houses. And in Gurgaon, where professionals move frequently between rented apartments based on office location, commute, rent prices, or lifestyle preferences, flexibility becomes important. You could start with a shared apartment near Sector 56, move closer to Cyber City, shift to Golf Course Road for better connectivity, or relocate based on your workplace. So, when you consider the upfront cost and relocation hassle, renting a mattress in Gurgaon starts to make more sense. With Rentomojo, mattress rentals start at 361 a month. There is no large upfront spend, and when you move, Rentomojo relocates it for free. Is a rented mattress hygienic? This is probably the first question people have when they search for mattress on rent in Gurgaon. Is a rented mattress clean? At Rentomojo, every rented mattress goes through deep cleaning, sanitization, and quality check before delivery. And when your rented mattress reaches your Gurgaon home, it has already gone through a complete hygiene process. Whether you're moving into a shared apartment, renting a flat near Cyber Hub, setting up your first home in Golf Course Road, or moving to a new city in Gurgaon, hygiene is the priority. And with Rentomojo, every mattress goes through a strict cleaning and quality check process before it reaches you. The next question is, what types of mattresses can you rent in Gurgaon? When it comes to renting a mattress in Gurgaon, Rentomojo offers multiple options depending on your comfort needs. You can choose from renting an orthopedic mattress, renting a memory foam mattress, or renting a coir mattress. If you're renting an orthopedic mattress, it is ideal for back support and posture alignment, especially if your work involves long hours at a desk. If you're renting a memory foam, it adapts to your body shape and provides a more cushioned sleeping experience. And if you're renting a coir mattress, it is a traditional firm and breathable option suitable for everyday use. Gurgaon experiences extreme summers and winters, so choosing a mattress based on comfort, support, and sleeping preference becomes important. Pick whatever suits your sleep needs and your budget from the catalog. What is the minimum tenure for mattress rentals in Gurgaon? With Rentomojo, mattress rental plans start from 3 months and can go up to 36 months. This works well for people in Gurgaon who are new to the city, moving for a corporate job, staying temporarily for a project, shifting from a PG to an apartment, or still deciding whether they want to settle. For some moving to Gurgaon, for the new role or a short term assignment, renting avoids spending thousands upfront on products they may need to move later. What happens when the tenure ends? You get two choices: continue renting the mattress monthly or return the rented mattress. If you return the mattress, Rentomojo schedules the pickup, inspects the product, and your deposit comes back if everything checks out. No listing it online, no finding buyers, no negotiating with strangers, and no arranging transport. In case you want to return the mattress early, there's a small early closure charge that applies. Otherwise, there's no complicated paperwork. You simply raise a return request on the Rentomojo app, and the team schedules the pickup. Is there a security deposit for mattress rentals in Gurgaon? Yes, There is a security deposit for mattress rentals at Gurgaon, and if there is no damage or pending dues, you get your full deposit back. In rare cases of major damage, any deduction is communicated within 24 hours. And if you opt for Mojo Secure, you get coverage against accidental damages, wear and tear, and unexpected incidents, helping you protect your deposit even if something goes wrong by accident. Unlike traditional rental deposits, this one is digital, transparent, and trackable right inside the Rentomojo app. Another common doubt is what happens if the rented mattress gets damaged? Normal wear and tear from everyday use is expected. If accidental damages happen, Rentomojo helps repair or replace it. Only intentional damage is charged separately. So if you face any issue, simply raise a request through the Rentomojo app and the support team will handle it. Can you upgrade the mattress later? Yes. After 6 months, you can upgrade to another mattress rental of the same or higher value. Started with a coir and now want a memory foam? Or maybe your comfort preference changes after settling into your new Gurgaon apartment. This switch is possible with Rentomojo. Buying a mattress does not give you that flexibility. You're usually stuck with the mattress you purchased. What if you move to another house in Gurgaon? This is a big one for Gurgaon renters. People move frequently depending upon office location, commute time, rent budget, and lifestyle. You could start near your office in Cyber City, move to Golf Course Road, shift to Sector 56, or relocate closer to your new workplace. If you're relocating within Gurgaon or to another serviceable city, Rentomojo helps with relocation of your rented matches. And if you're shifting your entire house, you can use Mojo Mover, Rentomojo's packers and movers service, available at affordable and competitive rates. Same matches, same plat, just a new address. No transport coordination, no buying a new mattress every time you move. So here's the final verdict on whether you should rent a mattress in Gurgaon. If you're a student, working professional, or someone who values flexibility, frequently relocates, or is unsure how long you'll stay in Gurgaon, renting a mattress can be the better option. To summarize, mattress on rent in Gurgaon with Rentomojo starts at $361 a month. Every mattress rented from Rentomojo is deep cleaned, sanitized, and quality checked before delivery. You can choose some orthopedic, memory foam, or coir mattresses. Mattress rental tenures range from 3 months to 36 months. Your deposit is fully refundable and further protected with Mojo Secure. Mattress upgrades are available after 6 months. Relocation of your rented mattress within Gurgaon or across cities is available, and if you're staying in Gurgaon for up to 33 months, renting a mattress can often work out cheaper than buying one. So if you're setting up a place in Gurgaon or planning a move soon, check out Rentomojo. Matches centers start at just $361 a month.